This video going to share with you that the stay experience at the JW Marriott, not Marriott Hotel Penang, not JW. So they do have a club lounge, but the club lounge is only for the drinks. So if you need to check in, you have to check in right over here at the lobby. They do have this counter for the convoy guests. So let's check in first. And this video will share with you that the stay experience, the room, the lounge, the breakfast, and the facility. As a titanium guest, you can choose for the beverages or the snack, or 1,000 points. So far, I think as a titanium guest, I can go to the club lounge, so I don't need this. So I will go for the point. Sadly, that they only upgrade me to the club room, but they got me the top floor. As the benefits for the lounge is 6 a.m. 6:30 to 10:30 is a breakfast, and then you also can go down for the main buffet area for breakfast. Happy hour is from 5. Oh, cocktail will be from 5 p.m. to 8. So 3 hours, quite generous. Then the mini bar is complimentary. Swimming pool is open at 6 to 8, and the gym is 24 hours. So my room today is 2225. So it's a top floor and a sea view room. And my sister is at the back. She's here to stay with me for tonight. And let me show you the room. I'm going to ask my sister to stand here so can show you the room first. So once you come inside here, there's a steam ironing and ironing board right over here. I'm going to show you the view first. This is the view of sea view room, top floor. Yay! I have a lot of memory over here, Gurney Drive. When I was a kid, we do swim at the beach, but it's renovated. I think that will be a place for kids to soak in the water, if I'm not wrong. So at night, it'll be very beautiful. And this is my beautiful room. This bed is perfect for hookah chaka. Then this is a welcome gift. I love this thing we call tingkat. There's a biscuit, fruit, and sambal. Oh, so you can dip this biscuit with the sambal, the chili thing, chocolate. I'm going to show you what is inside this one later. Wow, it's very comfortable. At the bedside, there is a universal power plug, 2 USB port, and 1 3-pin plug. And they come with a clock with a wireless charging thing, and the light, the phone, the pillow menu. Wow. So I'm going to get the buckwheat pillow. I love that very much. And the alarm wireless clock, they come with a 2 USB-C power plug. And this is a bathtub. And on the bedside, oops. So 1 universal power plug, 1 3-pin plug, and 2 USB port. And Wi-Fi. Okay, hopefully there will be the smart TV. And everything inside the mini bar is free. So let's see what is inside. It's free. So you get Ferrero Rocher, you got the drink, carbohydrate drinks. Not bad. Perfect for the mixer. Then let's see what else. The kettle. And it's free. Very happy. Then white instant coffee, tea, and capsule coffee. 4 capsules. I love coffee. And this is the bathtub. That's on the aircon. It's a little bit warm here. So you can close this from the lock and close from the inside. 1 basin, and then let me go inside now. The toilet comes with a bidet. It's very important, so you can wash your butt very clean. Then the bathtub comes with the soap and the bath salt. Very nice. Then the amenity, shower cap, nail file, shaving cream, shaver, toothpaste, cotton bud, comb, and 2 brushes. Very nice. The lotion and the soap. And it comes with the handheld shower and the rain shower with the shampoo, body wash, and hair conditioner. And now, let me test the hair dryer. I hope that they provide a good hair dryer. Oh, okay. It looks like a good one. It's very important to have a good hair dryer. And lovely thing that there's a power plug at the bathroom. Approved for me. It's a strong hair dryer. So I'm going to show you the happy hour later. The facility like the gym, swimming pool, and anything that I can show you. After we opened the tingkat and found out this is we call tau sa pia, which is a mung bean paste biscuit, and this is pong pia. Pong pia 裏面係咩啊？Oh, malt, something sweet, and then caramel thing, and I'm not sure. I think it's a chocolate. Yeah, so we're going to give it a try. The M Club is quite beautiful, high ceiling, and this is the oh la la. They are offering the nice drinks. Oyster Bay is my favorite wine, and then Heineken, Tiger, sparkling water. I am very excited because I see they serve good wine, and of course that this is the bar. That I'm not sure what's the menu for later yet. I'm going to show you the menu in a bit. On that left side, there's a famous what they call shopping mall. It's called Gurney Plaza, if I'm not wrong, and they are preparing the food. So this is where you can have the breakfast as well. Oh wow, it's beautiful. The kuih kuih, this is something you must try when you're in Malaysia. They have a good kuih kuih, and looks like they are having some hot food for happy hour tonight. Yeah, and oh, there's a private room right over here as well. So if you wish to stay in a private area, this is the best option. I'm very happy with this. The swimming pool is at third floor. This is a kids pool of 1.5 feet, and then it's like an infinity pool like that. It's not bad. Let's go to the other side. Oh wow, I think there's a pool bar right over here. Oh la la, this is very cool features. It is like a jet. You can lie down and then enjoy the massage. I'm going to tell my sister to try this. And that is a swimming pool, a little bit small but good for lap swim. And over there you can overlook at the seaside. It's not bad. They never changed the kuih kuih for the afternoon tea refreshment, but it's still the same. And I can see that there are the spring roll right over here. It's something Vietnamese, and this is something local. The fruit rojak is my favorite as well. It comes with the shrimp paste, and over here they have the steamed dim sum and some. Oh, I think there's a spring roll making right over here. So over here there's also some sun-dried tomato quiche, spicy tuna tart. Hey, let me show you what is inside the food station. Cheese board, then sandwiches. Let me see what is here. It's kaya pao. Kaya is something like a coconut jam with a steamed egg like this, and the fried noodle, sandwiches. That's all, and salad. Just went to the happy hour at the M Club. Actually, it's not bad. Me and my sister quite enjoying our evening over there, but it's a little bit hot and stuffy with the sunlight. Then we left the M Club around like 1 hour after a lot of alcohol. So I'm going to do the bed test. So this is their bathrobe. The very regular low-end Marriott bathrobe, I would say. So let me test the bed. A little bit rough. It's like a hard bed though. Okay, I'm going to jump. It's a hard bed that I don't like. So let's see the pillow. Oh, it looks good. Both are similar material. Then the bed sheet and the blanket is the same material. So I will say that hopefully I have a good sleep. My sister went out to work, and then she'll come and join me to sleep over tonight. Then I will let you know that the sleep quality and the breakfast. I had a good sleep. It's very quiet. The soundproof is very good and no noise from the street. Air conditioning is quite cold. But when I sat into outdoor, it was quite warm a little bit. So
the fan speed you have to set it to like high or medium. Shower is a little bit weird. There will be suddenly cold water, warm water, hot water, cold water. It's not comfortable to have a shower here. Okay, I'm going to have breakfast now. Let me show you. Let me show you what you can get for the breakfast. It's at level 2. Right over here, there is a juice station. It looks quite good with the beetroot orders. And then, oh, freshly squeezed. Very nice. And you should try this teh tarik. It's something special in Malaysia. And over here, there's a pastry counter with all this pastry. Looks okay to me with the donut as well. They have waffle and pancake. And I saw this little thing like the old school snack. That's what I eat when I was kids. Then here is the congee station and the noodle station. I can't tell. Oh, so they have the chicken soup and the vegetable soup. And then let's see what's next. Breakfast looks quite not bad. Oh, nasi lemak. So you should try nasi lemak as well. There's a lamb curry and chicken curry, fried rice, fried noodle, then the kung pao fish, and the vade. It looks good as well. Looks crispy enough, and the idli. This is a Indian breakfast thing, and the roti canai, freshly made. I love it. And the next thing, there's an egg station, omelette, scrambled egg, soft boiled, sunny side up, and poached egg. Then the hash brown looks good as well. What's in there? There's a miso soup and baked bean oatmeal porridge. Wow! Oh, the salad that you can chop it fresh. I like it. Honeycomb like this, and the people are scoping out like dig up a hole. The condiment for the cereal and 6 cereals. Then cut fruits, cheese, same cheese from the lounge, and then cold cut. That's it. So this is breakfast in Marriott Penang. Let's see what you can get for the breakfast in the M Club. So see, oh, there's a better salad over here, and then the noodle station. Let me see what else we can get from that side. The pastry here is actually much better and beautiful. And there's a soup thing and the noodle fried egg station is right here. And some cheese and fruits. Okay, I'm gonna have a coffee and go. At the other side of the lounge, there's 6 cereals and condiment and also a fresh juice counter right over here. Here is the gym. It's a very decent gym with 24 hours operation. They have this fridge for drinking pleasure. Also the cooling water, hot water and warm water. And a cardio zone, dumbbell, all these machines that I quite like. It's very helpful for me to do my exercise here to burn the tasty food from Penang. That gentleman is Josh. So I'm right over here, which is like at this bar at the lobby. He is the mixology Penang Marriott Hotel. He made my stay so much better because I was quite tired after the long night with my sister over here. Then I came over here. I saw their menu. It's like quite interesting. They have this black diamond that I tried made by Josh. Is amazing. Singapore Sling is amazing. Then I make another drink special creation from I think Lunar New Year period, right? It's called the Tears of March. For the competition. For the competition, this is good. This is good. It's something like a fusion version of the Bloody Mary. Because it has Tabasco inside there, and then there has soya sauce there, replaced like a sauce. It's just amazing. Then Josh is going to make another drink like a soya milk based like tau hui thing. It's quite amazing. So overall, the stay here, I would say that it is not really up to Marriott standard yet. They are still very new hotel. They are less than 1 year. Everything is beautiful. There is in a perfect location for tourists. because the Gurney Drive is where all the place you can try the amazing hawker. Then it's near to all the tourist attraction area, and it's not really far from the airport also. Then I have a good sleep here. The bed is good. The soundproof is good. The staff in the breakfast is very attentive. Whichever your plate is empty, they will come and clear for you. The staff in the club is a little bit slow. They are not up to a Marriott standard in a club lounge. So far, I will say that it's fine. And I like that they have the gym is 24 hours, that you can do all your exercise to burn out all the food, delicious food from Penang. And then check out. As a titanium guest, they don't really upgrade me. A little bit disappointed, but I booked very last minute. Then I got late checkout. Then I got lots of the welcome gift from the room, like all the pastry that you should get at in Penang. You should try that. And also the last thing is in this bar. This bar is called the Great Room. Honestly, I would say that this is the best bar in Penang for my experience. I took my sister to some of the places to drink. It's okay, 你可以摇. So you can have a very nice drink that I took my sister there. Then I think this bar is like really a nice bar. The drink is good. Like she loved Bailey, so I asked Josh to create a Bailey drinks for her. Do you like it?
I like it so much.
So much, yeah. So I think that this bar make my stay so much better to mark out a perfect ending. So with that, I hope that this video is helpful for you to see what you can expect in this Penang Marriott, and you come and stay right over here. When you come over here, do look for Josh. He really make a very good cocktail that I approve. Okay, with that, I hope you like this video. Goodbye.